The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Iberia Parish in south-central Louisiana, southeastern Lafayette Parish in south-central Louisiana, northwestern St. Mary Parish in south-central Louisiana, eastern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, west-central St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Breaux Bridge to Iraq Fort Island, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, New Iberia, Abbeville, Scott, Franklin, St. Martinville, Gillette, Kaplan, Fort Island. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar, penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Siding and trees. And may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service